What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. If you're new to my channel, my name is Black Lapino the Apple Guy, and my channel specializes in how-to videos, tech tutorials, unboxings, and reviews. And today, I thought I would make a final follow-up on how to add iTunes money to your iTunes account. Now, I've made numerous videos on this, and it seems that people seem to be getting a little confused between what you can do with an iTunes card versus what you can do with a debit card. So I thought I would just kind of clarify in this video and just basically show people how to use this. That way there won't be any confusions. That way you don't have to worry about, well, why can I use this for that, or why can I use that for this? So today is going to be the last video that I am going to be doing in this series of how to use iTunes and Apple Pay. So if you're not familiar with Apple Pay and iTunes Wallet, I'll have a link in the description on those, as I've already made numerous videos on that. So I'll have a link in the description on that. This video is just basically going to primarily show you how to add iTunes cards. Now that's what these are. These are simple denominated iTunes cards. You can get these at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, wherever you can get gift cards. You can buy these because you'll know that they come in a blue card, and I actually bought a $30 pack, so you can buy them in denominations of 15, 25, 30. I believe you can do a 45 and even a 50 up to 100, and sometimes you can get some in just a denomination from, like, say 50 to 100 or 500, and you can put $500 on just a single card and then just use that for any type of in-app purchases. So today I'm going to show you how to use these on iTunes and basically what you can use them for. So again, like I said before, this is something I bought from Walmart. This is a $30 iTunes gift card. That means that I've already put $20 on this. I still got another $10 to add, and so once I'm done adding that, it will add $30 to my iTunes balance. That basically means I can buy anything from the App Store or from the iTunes Store or from the Music Store with $30. I can buy anything I want in there until the balance runs out. Then it will take money from my debit or credit card. So for those that seem to be confused between the two, if you don't buy one of these and you don't add it to your iTunes account, then yes, the money will be taken from your debit card, and it will be continued to taken from your debit card or credit card until you add a balance from iTunes to that, and then it will take it from that balance until you run out, and then again it will take it it will take it from your debit or credit card. So what do I mean by adding money and how to use it? So basically we're going to the iTunes Store, and then this is the game section. So typically with games, some of them you can get for free, some you have to pay for. So as you can see here, there's a game here called Mini Metro, and as you can see, that is a $4 game. So basically what that means is that right now in my iTunes balance, if I have the money to buy this game, then I can buy it. So how do I know? I simply just go back into my iTunes wallet, and then as you can see right here where it says App Store and iTunes, that basically means I have $20 to buy whatever I want in the App Store and iTunes. So then I just switch back to here. If I want to buy that game, then I will pay $4, which will be taken out of the App Store iTunes balance, and it'll go from $3.99 minus the $20, and then that's what I have left. And then I continue to purchase apps. If there are any apps that I have to continuously buy, then it keeps taking that money from that balance until I reach zero. Now, by then, I either will have more money to add to my iTunes account, or just simply just takes it from my debit or credit card. So how do you keep a positive balance on your iTunes account? It's pretty simple. You just simply will scroll to where your name would be right there. It's always going to be in the corner. It'll either be a picture profile of you, or it will be a letter of your name. You simply tap on that, and then it brings you up to this screen, and then from here it'll say redeem gift card or code. You tap on that, and what's going to happen is that it's going to say to redeem your gift card using the camera on your device. You can either use the front-facing camera or the rear-facing. It depends on just how you have the card with you. So then, as you can see right here, here's the code that I'm going to be using. So we're going to be redeeming it with the camera, and what's going to happen is that once I put this code with this in front of the camera, it's going to automatically load that and it will add the balance. So again, as you saw, I only had a $20 balance previously on that. We're going to add another 10 and then it adds that balance. So as you can see right there, it hunts and then it'll give me a green. As you can see, it just went blink. So as you can see right here, it added $10 to my account. As you can see, $10. And then we can go back into the App Store on my wallet. Right there. And as you can see, there is a $30 balance where there was once a $20 balance. And again, you can use these for anything that you want to buy in the App Store itself. Now, a lot of people seem to be getting confused with App Store versus buying stuff from eBay or Amazon or something of that nature. You cannot use these to buy anything from a third-party vendor such as Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, or whatever other third-party app that you use to download. Just because you have $30 on here doesn't mean that you actually have $30 in your bank account. It means you have $30 to buy things from the App Store, as you can see where it says start shopping, or if you want to go in and buy music from the music store, you simply would just tap on the iTunes Store, and then where it says movies, it will say that is TV shows and movies. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. This is your music section, so you can buy stuff from the music section if you wish to buy music from it, because obviously all the music is going to cost something. So as long as you keep a positive balance on there, then you can buy that. If it comes to movies, then you can simply just select whatever movie you want, and then from that movie it will take money from that balance. So say if you want to buy, like, say 1917, it's a $13 movie. If you have $30 balance on there, it's going to take the $13 from the $30 balance, and then whatever's left is what you have left to buy and purchase anything else. If you want to purchase TV shows, it's just whatever TV show you want, and then you just go and you just buy that. And again, as you continuously buy whatever you're buying from, it will take money from that balance until you reach zero, and then it will take money from your debit card. So if you want to keep a positive balance in there, simply just buy iTunes cards, which will be the blue ones, and again, in any denomination, whether it's 10, 20, or 30, or 50, or 100, as long as you keep a balance like that in your iTunes account, then you will never have to worry about money being taken from your debit card. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it explained a little bit more in depth as to what you can and can't do with iTunes cards. If it was, if you're channel, then smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And again, I want to thank everybody for watching my channel. My name is Black Lapino the Apple Guy, and have a great weekend.